أنت شفيعنا يا رسول الله يا رسول الله أنت شفيعنا يا رسول الله يا رسول الله.
Good morning everybody and everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today pesantren has very good and very strong and speed development. So pesantren has many languages that we study together about kitab, about kitab and classical books. So today, this morning, we would like to present the presentations or the demonstrations of Fathul Qoribul Mujib by the English translations. So please, for all the members of IEC or Al-Majdi English course, please stand up.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kitab Ahkam At-Taharati. This chapter is about the laws of Tahara. Wal kitab lughatan masdar bima'na ad-dam'i wal jam'i. Wastilahan ismun jinsi min al-ahkam. Al-kitab word is masdar from fi'il madhi kataba. In its definition, etymologically is a gathering and assemble. While its definition etymologically is the name of one kind from the laws.
Section is Kitab Ahkami Siyami. Before that, we know that Saum, namely fasting, one of our pillar in religion, namely Islam. And the pillar of religion Islam, there are 5, namely Shahadah, Salah, Zakat, Siyam, and Haji.
Okay, give additional explanations of Kitab Ahkam Siyam.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I will explain about the Kitab Ahkam Siyam. Okay, as I know, Siyam in etymology is al-imsaku is mean restraint. In the Ishara is imsaku al-musdirin bianit mahsusatin is mean restraint from something that can abrogan our fasting with the special intention. And the word niyat of Siyam is nawaitu sawma ghadin an adai fardi syahri Ramadan hadhihi sanati lillahi ta'ala. It means I intend to double from Saum tomorrow in Ramadan month in this years because of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala.
Okay, thank you. Give applause for the demonstration. And
yang kedua, saya melihat matahari yang sedang makan. Di depannya ada ibunya. Yang dimaksud dari kataan tadi ya, ibunya. Coba lebih berkelas yang mana? Antara lafaz pertama atau lafaz yang kedua tuh?
Yang kedua.
Yang kedua, Masya Allah. Tepuk tangan yang meriah. Masya Allah. Sopo pun nih kak? Sopo.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.